Here we are. Oh, gee. Two crazy guys, 4x4. I think we're running, are we? Are we running? Yes, we are. Okay, good morning. This is November the 5th. And it's day after the weekend, Monday. And as you can see, we're incognito. We're really in Surrey, but you don't know that. We're here today to open a package that Brad, see that package back there? Sitting on the couch? Right there? Right. Yeah. Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. We love you. You can buy something on Amazon and get it 2 days later. If you're in Prime, right? You're too? Me too. We both have Amazon Prime. We can order anything in the world on Amazon. 2 days later, we get it. So today, we're just going to open up that package there, and it'll explain why we're using it. Actually, bought it for a reason. There's a very good reason. Because of this, holding this phone up here, as we can see this phone here. See this phone here? Right, this phone here. My arm's killing me. So, we solved that problem, at least Brandon did. Yeah, he's excited. So I'm just going to grab that package there, and we're going to do ourselves a good thing, and we're going to get this problem solved. Pronto. Okay, let me go. Okay. Here it is. Here we go. There we go. Oh, wait a second. Gotta put that down before I hurt somebody. I don't want to hurt you. Okay, here it is. It's a package from Amazon. Amazon. Yep. Hopefully it's not broken, but we're gonna find out. And we're gonna open this up. Yep. It's gonna be a little tough, but we can do it. All right. Ready? We did it. Put that on the couch. Here we go. What is it? Can you see what it is? You can't see what it is yet. Okay. We're gonna have a look. Yes. There it is. Oh, they just sent us air from wherever. Toronto. We don't need that. Some more air. We don't need that. Wait a minute. There it is. We have it. Okay, get rid of the box. We've got the smaller box now. Look at that. They sent this small box in that big box. Come on, Amazon, you could do better than that. Couldn't you send in a little bit bigger box than this? Or couldn't you send this box? You could have emailed this box onto us. We would. Oh, man. You're not doing the right thing by the environment, okay, Amazon? Come on, guys. We got to start thinking smarter. Look, there we go. Holy mackerel. What have we got? What have we got? Oh, we got a USB cord. Hi there. We got a USB cord for charging. Hold on to that. Don't lose it. You just lost it. Hired help. And empty box. We don't need that. But this is what we want right here. And it's just about in time because my arm is sore. We don't need that. We don't need that. Holy moly, look at this. Look at this, eh? Yeah, what does that look like? A cattle prodder? No, it's not a cattle prodder. It's for, look at that. We open it up. There it is. Boom. Oh, it's a back scratcher. That's what it is. No? It's a back scratcher? It's a front scratcher? No, it's not a back scratcher. It's not a front scratcher. It's for this right here. We're going to hook it up. Hopefully. Let's just see. I'm just going to attach it here and see what happens. See if that works. Oh, looky.